Hello, I wanted to give you a little introduction and a little tour of this Ninja kitchen system. This system is amazing. There are so many options of how you can use it, what you can do with it. And so I wanted to kind of give you a little walkthrough of all the different options that this Ninja comes with. So the first off, you can tell just by the way this looks, this is the one we use the most. I love how it's short, it's compact, it gives you enough room. Honestly, our favorite thing to make in here is biscuits, but I could see making like a pesto, any type of sauces where you want to get in there and kind of scoop it around. This is the perfect one. It holds 8 cups. You'll see on both this lid and the regular blender lid, there's great safety mechanisms in place here. So to release it, you're just going to press the button. It shows you the little arrow of how you're going to line up the lid. It also gives you access to add liquids in as it's turning here. And then if you pull this off here, you can just tell how wide and how much working area there is in there. The other great thing about this particular one is that it comes with a sharp blade, and then it also comes with this dough blade. And so you'll see when we get to the actual machine here, there is a dough option. Now, while I'm talking about the machine, the great thing about this is it actually saves us from ourselves, because depending on which device we set in here, it's going to give you the options that are available. So if I set this in here, and all of them have to be locked into place in order for them to work as another safety mechanism, it doesn't have the lid. You can tell it all has to be together and safe before it will let you use it. So with this particular one, it gives you a chop function and a dough function. You also have low, medium, high, and pulse. If we switch it over to the regular blender, this one gives us the smoothie and the ice crush option. This one holds 9 cups. So this is more of like your traditional blender, what we're used to seeing in a blender. It also has this option to pour out liquids, and it has the same functionality with the button cap here. This one comes with just the sharp blade, and these blades are very sharp, and there are multiple of them. The other functionality I love with both of the blender options is that these actually come out. So you can clean in there and get all the little grooves. Remember the old blenders when you used to have to risk your fingertips to be able to clean down there? That is not a problem anymore. So that is a great option there as well. The other one that we use so much is this kind of single serve blender option. This one just clicks into the middle, but then with a little pressure, locks into place. And so this one gives you the smoothie, ice crush, and extract options. The great thing is that this comes with the sharp blade, but then it also comes with this lid. And I actually just made a smoothie and go outside. It's wet. It actually comes with the lid as well, so if you're gonna take it in the car, that way it's all closed off and easy to go. You don't have to pour it into another cup. The other thing I love about this when you're using it for a smoothie mode is it has this auto IQ. What auto IQ mode means is that the blender actually senses that there is food being processed in there, and so you'll see what it does here is it pauses. So it will blend, and then it will pause, allow the contents to drop down, and then it will start back up again, and it does this again and again for 50 seconds. That way, you know that your drink or whatever is in here has been fully blended, and you're not going to end up with any bumps or chunks. Overall, this is the best machine. I absolutely love it.